Today I'm going to show you how to put together this darling little turkey. He makes a great placeholder or table centerpiece for Thanksgiving. Okay, let's get started here. Here are all the pieces that you're going to need. Let's start with the obvious, which is pretty easy, which is stick glue. We're going to just center this black piece of turkey head right here on the turkey, and then we're going to glue the other side of him right here. So this is nice because instead of having to work with some tiny little dot, what you're doing is you are making your turkey super substantial, like so substantial, because now you've got 3 pieces of basically cardstock on it, okay, right? So you've got something that's like gonna give it a little more girth for standing, because this is your centerpiece. And then you also are doing yourself a favor because I'm missing one of, oh, there we go. Here's the other red piece. Okay, so we are going to figure out how to glue this little red piece together. It's kind of his, I don't even know what that's called. I'm sure someone's gonna know what they're called, because I know it has a name. Anyway, the bottom line is glue it. Get it onto that turkey. There you go, isn't he cute? And then you're gonna put one on the other side. Make sure you glue it the right way. Okay, now, with these pieces, I wanted it to feel really, really like you're getting, well, a couple of things. We wanted to make sure that it really sits nicely, so that's why you have 2 pieces for each side, okay? So just fold them in half, and what we're gonna do is find the center point. You're gonna want hot glue for this, and you're gonna find the center part, put in a nice thick bit of glue. And the reason you're gonna do that is because you're gonna put 2 on at one time, which you're like, whoa, Karina, is that gonna turn out? The answer is yes, it is gonna turn out. So put them both on at the same time because it's kind of hard otherwise. And then go ahead and start folding them back even before the glue is totally set, okay? There you go. Isn't that cool? Okay, other side, same deal. I'm gonna put these 2 together before I even start, because this side I don't have flat surface to work on. And go ahead and get those things on as fast as you can, because you don't want them to not set, okay? And then make sure that the glue sets before you do anything. I didn't do that very well over here, so didn't let it set. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more glue on, and now stick that right in there. All right. Okay, base of turkey done. Isn't he cute? All right, so now I want you to go ahead and stick glue your first piece of feathers together. And by the way, you can do whatever colors you want, especially if you want to do like orange. I don't know why I did yellow and red, I just did. Yellow and red. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to glue it directly to the back. Now I know that this is not, it's not like an easy, you know, it doesn't just go nicely on there, but it really is the best way for getting this guy on here. So just put some glue directly on the back like that, and then go ahead and just hold it in place for a second and it will stay. And you can see how cute this would be. You can see I've got it straight because you need to make sure that it's gonna stay from the bottom piece. Okay, you can see that look how nicely that stands. I know you can't see it very well, but you can see that it's standing really well. So the nice thing is this makes an amazing place card. So you can write people's names on the top here if you want, or you can just use a bunch of these and have them cute, like with pumpkins and cute other decorative items on like a tabletop, which would be super cute. So if you are not subscribed yet to my Silhouette VIP group, make sure and do that by going to KarinaGardner.com and clicking on exclusive VIP. If you do, you will receive every Thursday a freebie, because I send out a freebie every single Thursday to my Silhouette VIP folks. All right, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you are having a good time for Halloween, and hopefully you'll come back to this for Thanksgiving.